Trigonometry teachers at CCD, I'm going to show you how to get your D2L set up and all of the critical areas copied from the master course. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is we're going to go to CCD's website. And I'm just going to put in ccd.edu. And I'm going to go to CCD Connect. And then we're going to log in. Since I don't want you to see my S number, I'm going to pause this just for a minute and I'm going to log in. So right here you would put in the S number and the password. So I'll get on there and then we'll continue. Okay, so we're now set up and we're going to go to CCD Connect. We're going to go to the Faculty tab. Okay, then you'll go to Log In to Desire to Learn. And then you'll be set up. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go up to select a course. You want to find the course that you're teaching. You might not have it set up the way I do, so you could just do a search for Math 122, and the courses that you're assigned to should show up. So you would want to go through and pick a course that you're teaching this semester. What I'm going to show you how to do is I'm going to go through and find one that I am teaching this semester that I haven't set up yet. So here's section 7, fall 2016. You can highlight this pin button, and that way it'll bring it up to the top next time that you do a search like that. So I'm going to pin it, then I'm going to open it up. Okay, so this is what your course is going to look like before you copy from the master. So to copy from the master, it's very simple. You're just going to go over to where it says Edit Course. Okay, like this. Then you're going to go to where it says Import, Export, Copy Components. And then you're going to search for an offering. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to type in this, Math 122 Master. And then that'll find the course that you're going to copy from. So you're going to click on that and then Add Selected. And then you're ready to set up. Okay, so what we're going to do on this one, since it's a master course, I've got all of the critical things that I want to be in everybody's D2L that will go to students. So we're going to just copy all of the components. So we just click Copy All Components. And it'll take it a minute to get everything copied, and I'll kind of give you a tour of what things I've got set up so far for the class. And this is what your students are going to see. So just give it a minute to copy. Okay, so it looks like we're all copied. Okay, so now if I click on this class up here, you're going to see things have changed a little bit. So first of all, you got this 3-column format here. So as a class schedule, and I didn't put stuff in here, I just gave a template for you here, but you could go through and put in what's in your syllabus, the topics, and you may have changed the order around a little bit, so you can put that in. Any news that you have for students, you can create a news item if you want to, or a class welcome. Also, you can go for your instructor information. You can click on here. You can edit the widget, so you can just go through and where it says content, then you can go over and you can type in, like for instance, I can put my name, my phone, and I can put all that stuff in for my class, and when I'm done, I'll save and close that. So these things are editable. I'm going to click on that again and take us back to the home page. So you've got that. The other thing that you now have is under attendance. All of our Math 122 classes this semester are either Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, or they're Tuesday. So you'll just, as you're entering attendance, you'll select what you want there, and then you can put your attendance in and everything. Okay. All right. Let's see. The other thing that we have is class list is where your list of your students are going to come in. You can email your students through there if you want to. And then the content button, this is where I added a lot of stuff for you. So a couple of things I wanted to show you here is I have videos for every section that we teach in trigonometry. So you can have your students just on the first day, you can show them where the videos are. I'll just give you an example of these. You can click on one of them, and this will take you to YouTube, and it's a video that I produced at home. I worked on this project last semester. Okay, so it's a video of everything they have in this section. Let your students know this, because if they don't understand something in class, or if you get behind schedule, you could have students preview a video. If you wanted to flip your classroom occasionally, you could do that as well if you'd like to, like that. So it'll go to YouTube, and it'll take you through the concepts. You can see it kind of going through right now. Okay, let me go back here again, and let's go back to the content button. And what you'll have is you'll see I have notes. These notes are just for you. What I do with my students is I have them print these out, and that's what we go over in class. You do not have to do this, but if you want your students to view the videos, one thing that they can do, like on the section 1.5, they could go there, they can print that out, and then if they needed to watch that video, they could fill out the information they needed from that and everything. And the other thing is with these things is they could scan through this and find out what they had trouble with. So for instance, in here, maybe in this section they didn't understand the inverse trig functions or something. So they could go to that part of the video which explained this information. So that's the way I set those things up. Okay, other things I have here there's going to be a place where you can put your syllabus. I have some test reviews. You can take these things out. You can use these if you would like, or you can take these out if you would like. They're easy to delete if you want to. If you want to just edit, if you have something you want to delete, you just press the trash button, and then you can remove it from the class if you want to, and add your own things if you would like to. Anytime that you want to add something, then you can add an activity. So if you want to click on that, and if you want to add something, you can do that as well. Or if you want to put in a new file, you just click new and then upload a file. So if you have your own test reviews, you can do that, or you can use the ones that I have if you want. There's some college algebra review information, some other things that you can look at. I have all the information on the gateway exam. I like to, when I give a test, put solutions to a test. You can put that in there if you want, but you don't have to. There's a final exam review here, and then there's the safety video that we're supposed to show in our classes the first day. I usually show this the first day out of D2L. This is a basic link. It'll take you to YouTube, and you can show this safety video that we're required to show our students. Okay, there's a sample grade book in here, and I just made it a very generic grade book. I'll go through on this and make another short little video for those of you who are kind of new to grade books, and I'll show you how you could modify this grade book to satisfy the conditions you have in your syllabus. Okay, and I think that's mainly it. I mainly wanted to just show you how to copy the class, and then you can explore through it and look at things. I think under the let's see, I think I've pretty well got everything in here to start with, and I'm working on this master course more this semester. So drop by and let me know if you have any questions with anything.